I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about my Acer Swift laptop. I was looking for a laptop that was light and easy to carry around, but still had a solid frame, and I think this one really fits the bill. I mostly use my laptop for working online, and this has been great. It's plenty fast, and I also have enough storage room to store all of my files and pictures, everything that I need to do my job well. Some of the features I really like are the fingerprint sensor. I can easily get into my laptop, but I feel like I'm doing so safely. I also really like the trackpad. It's very sensitive to my finger. I don't feel like it ever drags. It's easy to use. And of course, the keyboard has a nice backlight. I also have all the connections that I need. Got the USB ports, the headphone jack, everything I need to be able to do my job well. As I said, I can bring this laptop with me wherever I go. If I want to just run into a coffee shop for a couple hours to work, I can throw it in my bag and take it with me, and I think that's a great feature. This has been a wonderful product for me, and I hope that you will like it as well, and that's my point of view.